many people wonder if working out while sick is beneficial or a recipe for disaster. It's not uncommon to fear losing fitness progress because illness rears its head. But pushing through might not always be the best option for your recovery. The key is to distinguish symptoms. If it's above the neck, think congestion or a mild headache, you might lace up those sneakers. However, body aches, fever, or deep fatigue scream rest. Trust me, your future self will thank you for the break. A nifty trip is the neck rule. As Sean Kernan says, listen to your body's cues. For instance, a runny nose might tolerate light exercise, yet a fever needs a cozy couch and hot tea. Much like a sneeze needing a tissue, each symptom has its remedy, yet persistence demands moderation. Instead of that explosive high-intensity interval workout, a gentle session of yoga could be perfect. It's vital to consider your energy levels. A 30-minute stretch could work wonders. And remember, it's about moving gently, not intensely. Then there's hydration. Ignore it at your peril. Being sick depletes hydration, and exercise compounds this loss. Make water your closest friend and a frequent ally. You may lose electrolytes quicker than you think. Propel your body's healing one sip at a time. And now, the mental battle, FOMO on gains can be palpable. Hitting pause on your regime feels alien, almost traitorous. And but perspective is key. And missing a few days for recovery prevents weeks sidelined and offers long-term gains, a worthy trade-off. That said, a workout isn't out of bounds for everyone. If you're used to daily exercise and only mildly under the weather, keeping routine can help you feel in control, but adjust your expectation. This isn't about breaking records, but maintaining sanity. More importantly, respect the process. Recovery is not a battle lost, but a strategic retrenchment. It's your body's way of signaling a tactical timeout. Going all out too early runs the risk of turning a minor cold into a chronic issue. Consider seeking doctor's counsel if uncertain. Overstepping warnings can lead to complications like myocarditis. It's not merely a question of willpower, but health. Heed professional advice over internet quick fixes or bro science from the gym. Ultimately, rest does wonders for gains. A study suggests that taking planned breaks can lead to improved performance. Even competitive athletes swear by them. The body, much like any machine, requires downtime to refurbish and operate optimally. For downtime indulgences, movies or audiobooks can be choice accompaniments. Let these activities take you off the fitness pedestal momentarily and pamper your mind instead. Who says scaling mental peaks is an exercise? Enjoy the reprieve while it lasts. And finally, consider this Scott's best tip from Portland, and embrace the rainy days, both metaphorically and literally. Make illness your rest season, not a setback. Much like Portland's, famed resilience against drizzle, rise stronger after the clouds part.